Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn at Scholar. I am Geeta Khatri. Here I will introduce chapter number 2, Fractions and Decimals. This is your chapter number 2 with 7 exercises 2.1 to 2.7. A part of the chapter is covered in this video. Subsequent parts are covered in other videos. Links of all the videos, all the parts are given in the description box. You can go down, click on the links and watch those videos. So this is the first video of the chapter. If you want to watch the whole chapter, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell and press all so that you will be able to get notification of all the recently uploaded videos. So let's start our chapter Fractions and Decimals. You have learned about fractions and decimals in earlier classes. You know that fraction is a part of the whole. If this is a whole and there are 6 parts in this whole, that means one part is equal to 1 by 6. And how many parts are in total? 6. So 6 will be in the denominator and this 1 is in the numerator. So each part is 1 by 6. If we shade 2 parts, the shaded part is 2 by 6. Now proper and improper fraction. I have already explained both type of fractions in another video. Link is again given in the description. You can watch that video. Let's revise the concepts of proper and improper fraction. Now this is a whole. Proper fraction is a part of the whole. If there are 4 parts in this whole, that means this part is 1 by 4, this part is 1 by 4, this is, these 4 are 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. Keep this aside. Now these are 2 wholes. I am dividing these 2 wholes in 4 parts each. These are 4 parts, these are 4 parts. I am shading. 4 plus 3 is 7 and total parts are 4. We can take this whole as 4 by 4 and this as 3 by 4. Now 4 by 4 is 1. That means 1 and 3 by 4. 1, 3 by 4. This is a mixed fraction and 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 4 is an improper fraction. That means I am explaining, don't worry, I am explaining. Proper fraction is a part of the whole, while improper fraction is a part of more than one whole. That means one whole here and one whole here. 4 parts and 3 parts. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 4. That means 2 wholes. And we can also write this improper fraction in the form of mixed fraction. That means 7 by 4 and 1 3 by 4 both are equal. This is improper fraction and this is a mixed fraction. Improper fraction is written in the form of mixed fraction. Now, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? 4 into 1 plus 3. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 4. So, mixed fraction is a combination of whole number 1 and proper fraction 3 by 4. Got my point? Now, in a proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. You can see in 1 by 4, numerator is less, denominator is more. In the improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. In 7 by 4, numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. You have to write 2 examples each of proper, improper and mixed fraction. This is your homework. These 2 pizzas are of same size but divided into different parts. The first pizza is divided into 4 parts. If you are eating one part of the pizza, that means you are eating 1 by 4 part. Each part is equal to 1 by 4 because all the 4 parts are equal. In the second pizza, there are 8 parts. So each part is equal to 1 by 8. Now, if Som is eating 1 by 4 of the first pizza, then this amount is equivalent to 2 parts of the second pizza, because the same amount is divided into 2. As the total number of parts are 8, so in the denominator we will write 8. In the first pizza, the total parts are 4, so in the denominator we will write 4. So, 1 by 4 is equivalent to 2 1 by 8. This amount, I am shading the amount in the first pizza, is equal to the shaded part in the second pizza. That means the shaded parts in both the pizzas are same and represent the same amount. So, we can write them as one by 4 is equivalent to 2 1 by 8. That means 2 by 8. Therefore, 1 by 4 and 2 by 8 are equivalent fraction. That means the fraction which represent the same amount are equivalent to each other. 1 by 4 is the lowest fraction. We can convert 2 by 8 to the lowest fraction in this way. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. 1 by 4. We get 1 by 4. Now, converting the fraction into equivalent fraction. If we multiply the numerator and denominator with 2, we will get 2 by 8. That means multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number is the way to get the equivalent fraction. Now, like and unlike fractions. Like means same to same. I have made separate videos on equivalent fractions and like and unlike fractions. The links are given in the description. If you want to see the whole video, please go in the description and click on the links. You can see the numerators and denominators all are different. Therefore, these type of fractions are called unlike fractions. That means different. This knowledge is necessary to solve the problem sums given in your exercises. Keep in mind, these are the basics. You must clear your concepts so that you become able to solve all the problems, whether you get them from your textbook or outside your textbook. In these fractions, the denominators are same but numerators are different. These type of fractions are called like fractions. In the like fractions, the denominators must be same. Numerators may or may not be same. Whenever you are given problems on subtraction or addition, you are required to change the given fractions into like fractions with the same denominator. The denominator will be the LCM of all the denominators. Like you have been given 5 by 2 and 7 by 8. Then you will convert both the fractions into like fractions because the denominators are 2 and 8. You will find the LCM will be 8. You will convert both the fractions with denominator 8. Let me give you one example. This is 5 by 2 and 6 by 7. The denominators are 2 and 7. You cannot add them until and unless the denominators are same. That means the fractions must be like fractions. These are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. Now, the LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. So, the equivalent fraction of 5 by 2 is, we require the denominator 14. So, what should be multiplied to 2 to get 14? 7. So, we will multiply 5 and 2 by 7. 5 into 7 and 2 into 7 is 35 by 14. That means the equivalent fraction of 5 by 2 is 35 by 14. And the equivalent fraction of 6 by 7 is 6 into 2 and 7 into 2 because 2 will be multiplied to 7 to get 14. So, the equivalent fraction of 6 by 7 is 12 by 14. Now, 35 and by 14 and 12 by 14 both are like fractions because the denominators are same. We will add the numerators and we will get the answer as 47 by 14. Now, the numerator is greater than the denominator, that means it is an improper fraction. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing 47 by 14. So, the mixed fraction is 3 5 by 14. Now, I am solving your textbook exercises. Can you write 5 examples each of proper, improper and mixed fractions? Proper fractions. You know the numerator is less than the denominator in proper fractions. So, we will write the fractions as this. You can write them yourself and check. Now, improper fractions. The denominator is greater than the numerator in improper fractions. So, we will write the 5 examples as 7 by 3, 9 by 7, 5 by 2, 8 by 3 and 10 by 9. You can write any of the improper fractions. Now, mixed fractions. I have already told you that improper fractions can be converted into mixed fractions. I am doing the same. The mixed fractions are 2 1 by 3, 1 2 by 7, 2 1 by 2, 2 2 by 3 and 1 1 by 9. That means 9 1 ja 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 9. Exercise 2.1. We have to subtract the fraction 3 by 5 from a whole number 2. If nothing is written in the denominator, that means it is understood that the denominator is 1. So, 2 by 1. Now we have to convert them into equivalent fractions. By multiplying the numerator and denominator with 5, we will get 10 by 5 because the LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. Now we will subtract. Ten by 5 minus 3 by 5, we will subtract the numerator and we will get 7 as the answer. So 7 by 5 is the fraction, required fraction. We will do all the sums in the same manner. LCM of 8 and 1 is 8. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 4 7 by 8. 8 4 ja 32. 32 plus 7 is 39. Third one, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. We will find the LCM of 7 and 5. 7 5 ja 35. The LCM is 35. We will convert into like fractions and then add. (31 by 35 is a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. So, we won't convert into mixed fraction. So, now fourth one, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. LCM of 15 and 11 is 165. So, we will convert both these fractions into like fractions with the denominator 165. The final answer is 91 upon 165. We will subtract the numerator and denominator will be written as it. Next part. These are all improper fractions. We will convert them into like fractions with the same denominator. The LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is 10. So, we will convert all the fractions with the denominator 10. adding, we get 26 by 10, which is an improper fraction with numerator greater than the denominator. Now we will convert into simplest form, 13 by 5. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction and we will write 2 3 by 5. When we are adding mixed fractions, the first step is to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. In the first one, we will multiply 3 and 2. 3 2 just 6 and add 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the improper fraction is 8 by 3. The second improper fraction is 7 by 2. Now we have to change them into like fractions. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Sixteen by 6 and 21 by 6 we will add and we will get 37 by 6. Changing them into mixed fraction, dividing 37 by 6, we get 6 1 by 6. Again subtracting 8 1 by 2 and 3 5 by 8. The final answer is 39 by 8. In the next question, arrange the following in descending order. The fractions are given. We have to find out which is the largest fraction. Then we will write the second largest, then the third one. These are all unlike fractions. First we will convert them into like fractions with the same denominator. Then we will decide which is the largest one. For this, again we will take out the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. LCM is 63. We will convert all the three fractions with denominator 63. Now it is easy to see which one is the largest. Denominators are same. The fraction with the largest numerator is the largest fraction. 42 by 63 is the largest one, so we can easily decide the descending order. 42 by 63 is equivalent to 2 by 3, so we will write 2 by 3 first. Then 24 by 63 is equivalent to 8 by 21, so descending order will be like this: 2 by 3, then 8 by 21, then 2 by 9. The same method will be repeated in the second part. Here the LCM of 5, 7 and 10 is 70. We can easily decide the descending order. The first one is 49 by 70, then 30 by 70, then 14 by 70. So the equivalent fractions will be written in descending order as 7 by 10, then 3 by 7, then 1 by 5. In the third one, in a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? We can add and find out. All the denominators are same. We will add the numerators and find out, is this a magic square? We can see that The sum of the numbers in each row, each column and along the diagonal is same. So it is the magic square. Provide the full description in examinations to score full marks. Question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Both measurements are given in mixed fractions. We have to convert them into improper fractions first to know the length and breadth of the rectangular sheet of the paper. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. It is the formula. We will put both the measurements in the formula to find out the perimeter of the sheet of paper. Length is 25 by 2, breadth is 32 by 3. The denominators are 2 and 3. LCM is 6. Putting these values in the formula, we have we will solve the bracket first. After converting into equivalent fractions, we get 75 by 6 and 64 by 6. We will add these two like fractions and get 139 by 6. After multiplying with 2, we will get the final answer as 139 by 3. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction now. The perimeter is 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Fifth one, find the perimeters of triangle ABE, rectangle BCDE in this figure whose perimeter is greater. Triangle ABE. We know that the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all the three sides. So we will first find out the perimeter of the triangle by adding the given sides. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. Changing into equivalent fractions. Denominator is same. All the three are like fractions. Sum is 177 upon 20. Now the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Length and breadth are given. Length is 2 3 by 4, breadth is 7 by 6. We will put the measurements in the formula and find out the perimeter of the rectangle. The LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. So we will convert both these with denominator 12 and we will get 33 plus 14 upon 12. We will add 47 by 12. 2 6 are 12. 47 by 6. Now compare the two perimeters, one of triangle, one of rectangle. To compare, we have to again convert them with the same denominator. LCM of 20 and 6 is 60. Convert them into equivalent fractions. 177 upon 20. The two fractions are 531 by 60 and 470 by 60. Which one is greater? Clearly 531 upon 60 is greater than 470. by 60. That means the perimeter of triangle is more than the perimeter of the rectangle. Question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is this centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? The picture should not be more than the frame. So width of the picture is given, width of the frame is given. We will subtract and find out how much should the picture be trimmed to fit in the frame. The same method is repeated. LCM is 10. Changing the fraction into equivalent fraction with the same denominator. The difference is 3 by 10. That means the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter to be incorporated in the frame. Question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother, Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? So we will clearly subtract. If you have 4 apples and you give 3 to your brother, what part is remaining with you? Clearly, you will subtract 4 and 3 to get 1. In the same manner, we will subtract 3 by 5 from 1. 1 is the whole. 3 by 5 is the part. The leftover part of the apple is 2 by 5. This is the share of Somu. Now we will find the larger share. Between 3 by 5 and 2 by 5, which is larger? Clearly 3 by 5 is larger than 2 by 5. That means Ritu is eating the larger share. By how much? We will subtract 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. By 1 by 5. This is the last question of the exercise. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Time taken by Michael is 7 by 12 hour. What should we do? Yes, now we will convert both the fractions into their equivalent fractions. First of all, we will find out the LCM of 12 and 4. LCM is 12. So 9 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. And 7 by 12 is the like fraction of 9 by 12. Clearly 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. That means Vaibhav is taking longer to color the picture. Now have you understood how to solve the questions based on fractions? If you have understood the concept, you will be able to solve any question. Still, if there is any query, any doubt left, you can ask me via WhatsApp or you can write in the comment section. The second part is, by what fraction was it longer? We will subtract 9 by 12 and 7 by 12 and get 2 by 12. By simplifying, we will get 1 by 6. So Vaibhav took 1 by 6 or more than Michael. This is the last question of the exercise. Students, if you want to score best marks, you have to solve the question step by step. Write the correct statements and do the calculations accurately. And when you get the best scores, please write in the comment section. That will make me very happy. Now, see, this is one hole, this is second hole. One part is shaded, one part is shaded. That means 1 by 4. Because all the 4 parts are equal. All the 4 parts are equal. This is again 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now in this hole 2 parts are shaded. That means 2 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4. That means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. So we can write 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 as 2 into 1 by 4. That means 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. Again, in these three figures, one part is shaded, again one part is shaded, again one part is shaded. That means 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now 3 parts are shaded. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. We can write these 1 by 4 as 3 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 3 times 3 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. That means now here 2 is a whole number, here 3 is a whole number. 1 by 4 is a fraction here, 1 by 4 is a fraction here. And we are getting 3 by 4. That means we are multiplying this whole number with the numerator and writing the denominator as it is. Here also we are getting 2 by 4. That means we are multiplying this whole number with 1. 2 1 ja 2. 2 by 4. That means we are multiplying this whole number with the numerator. 2 1 ja 2. So, to multiply a whole number with a fraction, we will multiply the whole number with the numerator and we will write the denominator as it is. This is the way to multiply a whole number and a fraction. Have you got my point? If there is any query, any doubt, you can write me a mail on the given mail ID or you can WhatsApp me personally. If you have understood this concept, I am giving you these figures. You have to tell me what is the answer. This is your homework. You have to write the answer in the comment section or you can WhatsApp me. Besides solving all your exercises given in your textbook with Try These, I will also give you extra questions and important exam questions. I will solve a few for you and give you an assignment to do at home. After completing the assignment, you have to submit it in the comment section or on WhatsApp. I will test your knowledge whether you have understood or not. I will give the answers to these questions in the next video. To multiply a mixed fraction to a whole number, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. I am telling you the method how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We will multiply this one with this one, that means denominator and this one, and then add the numerator. Like we will multiply 7 and 1 and add 3, that means 10 by 7. Now we will multiply this fraction with whole number 5. 10 and 5. 10 5 ja 50. 50 upon 7 is the improper fraction. See these two parts, half half is equal to full. This is 1 by 2 of 1, this is 1 by 2 of 1. Combining both, we get half of 2. Half of 1, half of 1, half of 2. That means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 1 by 2. That means half of 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Half of 1, half of 1. 2 halves. One shaded part is half of 1, another shaded part is half of 1. Together both shaded parts are half of 2. But half of 2 is 1 and 1 by 2 into 2 is also 1. That means half of 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. Another example. These are 3 halves. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If we combine the two shaded half parts, we get 1, that means 1 whole, and half of 2 is also 1. 1 by 2 into 2 is also 1, that means half of 2 is, we can equate half of 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. Got my points? This is 1 whole and this is half. 1 and half. 1, 1 by 2. When we convert this mixed fraction, we will get 3 by 2. That means half of 3 is 3 by 2. And half into 3 is also 3 by 2. That means 1 by 2 of 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3. That means of represents multiplication. Whenever we are writing this of this, that means we are multiplying this with this. Understood? Let's find the products of Try These. This is for practice. 2 by 7 into 3. I told you that when we are multiplying a fraction with a whole number, we will multiply the numerator with the whole number and write the denominator as it is. So 3 is a whole number and 2 by 7 is a fraction. Answer is 3 2 just 6, 6 by 7. Second one is 9 by 7 into 6. The same method will be followed here. Six 9 are 54, 54 by 7. C1, 3 into 1 by 8. Three 1 are 3, 3 by 8. D1, 13 by 11 into 6. 13 6 are 78, 78 by 11. If the product is an improper fraction, express it as a mixed fraction. Which is an improper fraction? B and D. So express them in the form of mixed fraction. This is your homework. Represent pictorially. That means we have to draw the picture to represent the product. 2 into 2 by 5. These are two holes. Divide each hole in 5 parts because there are a total of 5 parts. 5 is written in the denominator. Now shade 2 parts. Now 3 parts are unshaded, 2 parts are shaded. So 2 by 5. 2 by 5 and 2 by 5. Now shade 4 parts in this. It is the resultant hole. So it is 4 by 5. Understood? 2 2 are 4 and 5 will be written as it is. It is the same as if we add 2 plus 2 plus 2 or we multiply 2 into 3, the result will be the same. I am explaining in this way. 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. If we add 5 times, we will get 25. If we multiply 5 into 5, that means 1 5 is a digit, 1 5 is a number. 5 times 5, 5 into 5, 25. 3 times 6, 3 into 6, 18. 6 plus 6 is 18 and 3 into 6 is also 18. I have explained in this way. You don't have to write this in exams. Have you understood? Again try these. The first one, 5 into 2, 3 by 7. We will convert 2 3 by 7 into improper fraction and then multiply with 5. Seventeen by 7. Now 17 into 5 is 85, 85 upon 7. Eighty-five by 7 is an improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction and that will be your answer. 1 4 by 9 is 13 by 9. 13 by 9 into 6. 13 6 are 78. 78 by 9. Convert this fraction into its lowest form. 26 by 3. Now you have to convert 26 by 3 into mixed fraction, that is 8 2 by 3. Eighty-five by 7 is equal to 12 1 by 7 in the form of mixed fraction. Can you tell what is half of 10, 1 by 4 of 16 and 2 by 5 of 25? We know that of means multiplication. So we will multiply 1 by 2 and 10. 2 5s are 10, the answer is 5. In the second, 1 by 4 into 16, 4 4s are 16. So answer is 4. 1 by 4 of 16 is 4. In the third one, 2 by 5 into 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 2.2 first question. Which of the drawings A to D show we have to match the fractions 2 into 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 5 is D. Now 2 into 1 by 2. Start from the first one and find 2 into 1 by 2, that means 3, then 2, then 3, that means D or B. D is already done, that means the answer is B, half and half. The third one, 3 into 2 by 5. Now A and C are both 3 and 3. We have to choose between them. 2 by 3, that means total parts are 3. It is given in the first figure. So the answer is A. Now the last one, 3 into 1 by 4. Again 3 parts, 3 holes, that means A and C. A is already done. So the answer is C. You can check that there are a total of 4 parts and 1, 2, 3. Total 3 parts are shaded. So the answer is C. Second question, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. That means a total of 3 holes. These are 2 holes in the first, in the second one 3 holes are there, but a total of 5 parts must be there. It is given in the C1. 5 parts are there and 3 are shaded. That means 3 by 5. So the answer is C. In the second one, 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. There are a total of 2 holes, of which one is shaded in each hole. It is given in the A1, a total of 2 holes and 1 shaded part in each. And the answer is 2 by 3. That means 2 parts are shaded. So this sequence is given in the first one. Total 3 parts, 1 part is shaded in each, and in the answer 2 out of 3 are shaded. The third one, 3 into 3 by 4, that means 3 are the total holes and 3 parts are shaded out of the 4. That means the B1. 2 into 2 1 by 4, that means 2 complete holes. 2 holes are completely shaded, and in the third one 1 part is shaded. That means 2 1 by 4. On the left hand side of is equal to 3 into 3 by 4. 3 holes and then out of 4 3 are shaded. On the right hand side 2 are the complete holes, that means 2 holes are shaded and 1 part of the 4 is shaded in the third one. So the answer is B1. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. In the first one, 7 into 3 by 5. 7 3 are 21, 21 by 5, it is an improper fraction converted into mixed fraction. 5 4 are 20, that means 4 1 by 5. 4 into 1 by 3. 4 by 3, it is already in the lowest form. In the mixed fraction, we will write it as 1 by 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Next, 2 into 6 by 7. 6 2 are 12, 12 by 7. When we divide 12 by 7, we get 1 5 by 7 in the form of mixed fraction. Next, fourth one, 5 into 2 by 9. 5 2 are 10. 10 by 9, it is already in the lowest form. So, we will divide 10 by 9 and get 1 1 by 9. Now, the fourth one, 2 by 3 into 4. The answer is 8 by 3. Dividing 8 by 3, we get 2 by 3. 5 by 2 into 6, 6 5 are 30, 30 by 2, the answer is 15. When we divide 30 by 2, we get 15. It is the lowest form and it is a whole number. Now the seventh one, 11 into 4 by 7. Remember one thing, we can convert only improper fraction into mixed fraction. 11 4 are 44, 44 by 7, it is already in the lowest form, in the lowest term, fraction in the lowest term. Now we will divide 44 by 7 to get the mixed fraction as 6 2 by 7. Now next, 20 into 4 by 5. 24 are 80, 80 by 5, 5 1 are 5, 5 6 are 30, so 16. The whole number is the answer. Now the ninth one, 13 into 1 by 3. 13 1 are 13, 13 by 3. It is already in the lowest form. So we will divide and convert it into mixed fraction, 4 1 by 3. Tenth, the last one, 15 into 3 by 5. We can divide it as 5 3 are 15 and write 3 3 are 9 or 15 3 are 45. In the lowest form, it is equal to 9, which is a whole number, and it is the answer. Fourth one, shade 1 by 2 of the circles in a box. There are 12 circles in the box. That means half of 12 is 6. We will shade 6 of them. I have copied this figure. Now I will shade 6 of them. In the B1, 2 by 3 of the triangles in the box. There are a total of 9 triangles in the box. So 2 of 3 of 9. That means 2 by 3 into 9. Three 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. That means 6 triangles. We have to shade 6 triangles. Three by 5 of the squares in the box. There are a total of 15 squares. So we will find out 3 by 5 of 15 first. Five 3 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9. That means we have to shade 9 squares. Question number 5. Half of 24. 1 by 2 into 24. S of means multiplication. Two 12 ja 24. That means half of 24 is 12. Now half of 46. 1 by 2 into 46. Two 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. That means 23. Now the B1. 2 by 3 of 18. 3 6 ja 18, 6 2 ja 12. 2 by 3 of 27. 2 by 3 into 27. 3 9 ja 27, 9 2 ja 18. 3 by 4 of 16. That means 3 by 4 into 16. 4 4 ja 16, 4 3 ja 12. 3 by 4 of 36. That means 3 by 4 into 36. 4 9 ja 36, 9 3 ja 27. D1 4 by 5 of 20. 4 by 5 into 20. 5 4 ja 20, 4 4 ja 16. Second one 35. 4 by 5 of 35. 4 by 5 into 35. 5 7 ja 35, 7 4 ja 28. Question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. A. 3 into 5 1 by 5. 5 1 by 5 is 20. 6 by 5. That means mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. Now 3 into 26 by 5 is equal to 78 by 5. 26 into 3 is 78. In the form of mixed fraction, it is 15 3 by 5. Five into 6 3 by 4. Converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, we get 6 4 are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 27 upon 4. So 27 into 5. Numerator will be multiplied with the whole number 135 upon 4. Now it will be converted into mixed fraction and we will get the answer as 33 3 by 4. 7 into 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 is equal to 4 2 ja 8, 9 by 4. 9 by 4 into 7. 7 9 ja 63. 63 by 4. Converting into mixed fraction, we get 15 3 by 4. Next, 4 into 6 1 by 3. 6 1 by 3 is equal to 19 by 3. Now 4 into 19 by 3. 19 into 4. 19 4 ja 76. 76 upon 3. 25 1 by 3 is the mixed fraction. Next, 3 1 by 4 into 6. 3 4 ja 12. 13 by 4 into 6. 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. 13 3 ja 39. 39 upon 2. Converting into mixed fraction, 19 1 by 2. Next, 3 2 by 5 into 8. 3 2 by 5 is equal to 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 by 5. Now 17 by 5 into 8. 17 8 ja 136 upon 5. Converting into mixed fraction, 27 1 by 5 is the mixed fraction. Question number 7. Half of 2, 3 by 4. Converting into improper fraction. 4 2 ja 8, 9 10 11. 11 upon 4. Half of 11 by 4. 11 by 8 is the answer. We can convert them into mixed fraction. Now, when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators and the denominators. 11 1 ja 11 and 4 2 ja 8. In the form of mixed fraction, 11 by 8 is equal to 1 3 by 8. Next, 4 2 by 9. 9 4 ja 36, 36 plus 2 is 38, 38 upon 9. Half of 38 by 9 is equal to 38 upon 18. 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, that means 19 by 9. When we divide 38 and 18 by 2, we will get 19 by 9. This is also an improper fraction. We will divide it to get the mixed fraction. 2 1 by 9. Next, B1, 5 by 8 of 3, 5 by 6. So, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 5 by 6 is equal to 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 23 by 6. Now 5 by 8 of 23 by 6, that means 5 by 8 into 23 by 6. Multiplying numerator with the numerator, 23 into 5 is 115 and denominator with the denominator, 6 8 ja 48. So, the fraction is 115 by 48. Now, when the numerator is larger than the denominator, the fraction is called improper fraction. We will again convert it into mixed fraction. 2 19 by 48. Next, 9 2 by 3. 9 3 ja 27, 29 by 3. 27 plus 2 is 29. 5 by 8 of 29 by 3, that means 5 by 8 into 29 by 3 is equal to 29 into 5 is equal to 145. 8 3 ja 24. 6 1 by 24. Now 8th question. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5th of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So the amount of water contained in the water bottle was 5 liters. We have to find out how much water did Vidya drink. So 2 by 5 into 5 is equal to 2 liters. That means Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. This is the amount of water consumed by Vidya. This is the answer to the first part. Now the second part. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? We have to find out the fraction. Remember, 2 liters of water was the amount. Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. Now Pratap drank 5 minus 2 is 3 liters of water. Now we have to find out the fraction of water consumed by Pratap. So the total quantity was 5 liters and he consumed 3 liters. So 1 minus 2 by 5, or you can write 3 by 5 directly. 1 is the whole. The fraction of water consumed by Vidya was 2 by 5. So we will subtract 2 by 5 from 1 and we will get 3 by 5. Or you can write 3 liters of water out of 5 liters, total 5 liters. So directly we can write 3 by 5, or we can subtract 2 by 5 from 1. Now I am explaining another method to add 1 and 2 by 5. This is an example I am taking. 1 plus 2 by 5. 1 is a whole number and 2 by 5 is a fraction. You can take two fractions also. We can take out the LCM of 1 and 5, that is 5. Now this 5 will be divided by 1, that is the denominator. 1 5 ja 5, and this 5 will be multiplied with 1. 5 1 ja 5. This 1 is here in the denominator and this 1 is same. We will get 5 and this 5 will be multiplied by 1, that is the numerator. So we will write 5 in the first column. In the second one, now again this denominator will be divided with this LCM. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 is multiplied with the numerator. 1 2 ja 2, and 2 will be written in the second column. 5 plus 2 upon 5, that means 7 by 5. Mixed fraction 1 2 by 5. Another example. This example will still clarify your doubts. Subtracting 2 by 5 from 6. Again taking the LCM 5 and 1. The LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. Again we will divide 5 and 1. 1 5 ja 5. Right? This 5 will be multiplied with 6. 6 5 ja 30. 30 will be written in the first column. Now again the second denominator, 2 by 5 denominator 5. 5 will be divided with 5 and we will get 1. This 1 will be multiplied with the numerator 1 into 2. 2 1 ja 2. So we will write 2 in the second column and we will subtract 2 from 30. Right? This is the way to find out the answer to these type of questions, addition or subtraction. So 28 by 5 or 5 3 by 5. I am giving you some sums to practice at home. 2 minus 1 by 5. The second one is 4 plus 3 by 8. The third one is 7 minus 2 by 5. The fourth one is 8 plus 3 by 7. Fifth one is 6 minus 7 by 8. Do all these and write in the comment section or WhatsApp me. If you have any query, any doubt, you can use this same number and you can WhatsApp me your doubts. I will definitely answer your queries. These are some important exam questions. Solve. 3 2 by 5 plus 7 4 by 8. The second one 6 1 by 8 minus 3 2 by 9. Second one, I will provide you marks also so that you can test how much knowledge have you gained. 2 by 5 of 12 and half of 3 1 by 8. Last question is the story sum or the problem sum. Mohan has 64 kgs of wheat and 36 kgs of bajra. He shared 2 by 5th part of the total grains with his brother Somesh. What is Somesh's share? How much is left with Mohan? Write the amount and the fraction. There are 2 parts, each of 3 marks. Solve these questions and write your marks in the comment section. That was an exam paper. You are expected to get these type of questions in exam. If you get 10 out of 10, then that is an excellent performance. If you are getting 9 marks out of 10, that is very good. And if you are getting less than this, then you need practice. You have to go back, watch the whole video again. After completing the video, go on the website learnatscholar.com. Practice questions are given there. You have to do a lot of practice to score the best marks. This completes both your exercises 2.1 and 2.2. The subsequent exercises are covered in other videos. Links are given in the description box. Go in the description, click on the links and watch those videos. To watch the whole chapter, you have to subscribe the channel to get updates. And if you have understood the concept, if you like the video, hit the like button and share the knowledge with others. So bye bye for now. We will meet with the next video. Till then, stay tuned and best of luck.